something. Got my keys, shipping container. It's garbage day today. And guess what, guys? It's my dad's birthday. See that little garbage truck here? I'll show you the garbage truck after I open this door. Let's get the key. Okay. There goes the garage. Now I get the garage over here to the door, to its door. It's my brother's car. Now here's the garage. I am going to send this to YouTube. But here's the container key with the shipping container. Printed shipping container. Here's my shipping container key, which is Briggs & Stratton. When it gets fully operated here, I'm going to show you how to close it. When I close this thing, I have to go on this ladder. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh, shit. Ah! Here, put the phone right there. Ah! 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 All right, stop. Grab this end. Here's the better way to do it is in the car. I'm having trouble. This thing's having trouble. This thing will have trouble. This thing is having trouble. Ah! Put the keys right there in the container. Comes. There we go. You lock this thing up. Put the key in there in the ignition. And we're done.